Look, my scallion has become so tall and sharp. From now on, it's my new weapon, the needle. My parsley was infected by bugs, so I have to cut out a lot of leaves. It looks so poor now. Now it's not much left, but every leaf is healthy. Have you watched this? I haven't watched the second season yet, but I watched the first and it was very much fun. I'm at UPS sending out some mails and making friends with this cute little doggy. Because of COVID, so we're just waiting in line outside. Look at her, she's so well behaved. Look at the way she's sitting. I'm exploring new routes to home and discovered this nice garden behind an apartment building. Someone's reading there. Done with my little walk and going home. I discovered a very tasty snack. Durian white chocolate. Durian is this fruit that has a special smell. Some people might not be able to handle it, but I love the smell. And this snack is durian covered by white chocolate. Two of my favorite things. How could it not be good? I bought it from Hungry Panda. And for today's dinner, I'm making glutinous rice meatball. It's popular food in south part of China. I'll make some meatballs and cover them with glutinous rice. Some starch to make the meat more tender. Then some soy sauce. Just 1 or 2 spoons. Cooking alcohol. Hey, too much. But that's fine. Most of the alcohol will evaporate. Tiny bit of sesame oil. Now we stir. Mix them well until you can feel that the meat is bouncy. Some ginger. White pepper. Continue mixing. This looks about ready. Let's cut some scallions. Back to mixing again. Now we're finally ready to make the meatball. Just take a spoon of meat and put it in the middle of your hand and use the spoon to adjust the shape of it. And then throw it into the glutinous rice and try to cover it all over with the rice. It's that simple. One down. The last one. The rice and meat proportion is pretty good. Now we have 9 pretty glutinous rice meatballs and let's steam it. I'm just using my aroma rice cooker with the steaming function. Set the time to 30 minutes. Cooking started.
A few moments later.
It's done cooking. Let's throw in some scallions. And that's a very delicious glutinous rice meatballs. My nice stroll after dinner. Plenty of people here. It's a good place to hang out at night. Let's go get some groceries. European Championship is going on and beer is a must. So many choices. I'll get this one. Brooklyn Bel Air Sour. Never tried it, but it looks cute. Now my 7-Up Zero Sugar is not lonely anymore. And some chips. I like these chips a lot. My favorite is sweet potato ones. Ooh, this looks nice. This dark chocolate is so good, and it's relatively low calorie. Why are you here by yourself? I'm taking a detour, and let me show you some lobbies of the apartment buildings nearby. Wow, it's summer and they have their fire on. So modern. I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.